to Toddlers Art Hub. Hello young artists, and welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're embarking on a creative journey where we'll learn how to draw and color some fascinating 3D shapes. Are you ready for a world of cubes, cylinders, spheres, pyramids, and cones? Let's dive right in. First, grab your favorite marker and a blank sheet of paper. We'll start with a challenging yet fun shape, the cuboid. It's like drawing a rectangle, but with some extra depth to it. Don't forget to add the lines for dimension. Next up, we have the cone. Start with a circle, then draw lines connecting to the center point. Now, let's tackle the cylinder. It's like two circles connected by a rectangle in the middle. The sphere is the simplest. It's a perfect, round shape. Try your best to make it look 3D. Last but not least, we have the pyramid. It's like drawing a triangle base and four triangular sides coming together. Now that we've drawn our 3D shapes, it's time to bring them to life with some vibrant colors. As we color, let's imagine a colorful world where each shape has its own story. Let's give our cuboid a cheerful color. Maybe it's a magical gift box filled with surprises. The cone could be a whimsical ice cream cone. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Our cylinder could be a giant, colorful pencil, ready to draw all sorts of amazing things. The sphere might be a bouncy ball, rolling through a colorful playground. And the pyramid? Well, that's a dazzling treasure chest, holding secrets of the past. Great job, little artists! You've just created a world full of colorful 3D shapes. Goodbye, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.